From the term rational number, we know that it can only be an integer or a fraction. Now let's see if root 2 is an integer. From this definition, we know that 1 is less than 2 is less than 4. We'll take root on both sides, would make it this. Now between 1 and 2 there cannot be any integers because after 1 comes 2, and here we can see that root 2 is coming between 1 and 2, so root 2 is not an integer. Now let's see if root 2 is a fraction. Now from fractions definition we know that q is not equal to 1 and p by q are co-prime. That means they only have 1 as a common factor. Now we'll square both sides. That would make it p square by q square is equals to 2. Now we'll take 1q on the left hand side and this would make it p squared by q. Now this is a fraction and this is an integer, which says that root 2 is not equal to p by q, hence root 2 is not a fraction, which clearly says that root 2 is an irrational